Hello children. So in our previous class we have finished our lesson, right? I like it this way lesson, okay? Now here be reading. Page number is 38. What is the poem name? Brother has no teeth. What is the poem name? Brother has no teeth. Do you have brother? Siblings? Yes, you have brother or sister, right? So what is the poem name? Brother has no teeth. Here there is a brother and he has no teeth. Yes, here teeth is singular or plural? Yes, teeth is plural. What is the singular form of teeth? It is tooth, okay? Yes. So listen and recite the poem. Now you see. What is the lesson? What is the poem name? Brother has no teeth. Repeat after me. Recite means repeat, okay? Tell me. Open your mouth and tell after listening my voice. Brother has no teeth. Yes, brother has no teeth. Now see. Sita's brother loves sweets more than carrots and beets. Yes. What is there in this first and second lines? See, Sita's brother. Yes, in I Like It This Way lesson, we have a girl named Sita. Yes or no? Here also see, she is Sita. Then Sita has a brother. Yes or no? Yes, when Sita asked her mama that she needs a new book of English, what did her mother do? She called her brother and sent him to buy a new book, right? So that brother name is, yes, at the end we will say the brother name, okay? So he is Sita's brother. She is Sita. So Sita's brother loves sweets. Here he is eating laddus. See here. Wow, laddus. You all love sweets, right? Yes, here Sita's brother also loves sweets. Sita's brother loves what? Sweets. More than carrots and beets. What are carrots? You know, carrot is a root, right? We eat carrot to improve our eyesight. Yes or no? And beetroot also. It gives us blood. But this Sita's brother doesn't like carrots and beets. He don't eat what? Vegetables or other vegetables, tomatoes, potatoes or carrots, beets. He did not eat that all. But he loves only sweets and he loves to eat only sweets. Here you see, breakfast. Now next you see, sweets for breakfast, munch, munch, munch. Sweets for lunch, munch, munch, munch. What he is saying? Sweets for breakfast. What is breakfast? Yes, the food we eat in the early morning. Yes, it is called breakfast. So what this Sita's brother is doing? He eats sweets for breakfast also. We eat tiffins in breakfast, right? Like idli, dosa, upma, yes or no? But her brother eats only sweets in breakfast. Is it a good habit? No, it is very bad habit. You should not eat more sweets. Now see, sweets for lunch, munch, munch, munch. See here, she is asking lunch. In lunch also he is eating. In lunch we eat food and some curry, right? See here, what he is eating? Chocolates. He is eating sweets itself in lunch also. For lunch also, see here, sweets for supper too, not one but 2 by 2. What is supper? Supper is S-U-P-P-E-R. Supper in the sense dinner, the food which we eat at night. It is supper or dinner. For dinner also he is eating sweets. See here, cake. He is eating cake. Oh yo. For breakfast he is eating cake. He is eating sweets. For lunch he is eating sweets. For supper also he is eating sweets. He is eating more sweets than food or some other things, okay? So what he is saying? Sita's brother is very tall but has no teeth at all. He is tall. Tall, you know? Podugu. The opposite word of tall is short. Yes, he is tall but he has no teeth at all. See, what happens if you don't have teeth? All laugh at you, right? Yes or no? Yes, here, see, here one, ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha, laughs everyone at Raja. So here, what is the name of Sita's brother? Raja. Raja is the name of the Sita's brother. So he eats more sweets. He eats sweets for breakfast. He eats sweets for lunch. He eats sweets for supper. So Oh, so he's tall and he has no teeth at all. So all are laughing at Raja. Ayyo, see here, all are laughing at Raja. See here, he has no teeth. Now what you got? Yes, if you eat more sweets, what happens? Yes, you won't have teeth at all. Like Raja, you won't have teeth and all laugh at you. Is it a good habit of eating sweets? No, you should not eat sweets. You should eat healthy food items, okay? Leafy vegetables, fruits, you have to take carrots, beets, you have to eat, okay? You should not be like Raja, okay? Yes. Raja eats more sweets and he has no teeth at all. If you eat more teeth, you won't have teeth and all laugh at you. Okay? Will you eat sweets now? No, you should not eat sweets. See here. Brother has no teeth. Once again, see here. When I say, you also say at the same time. Okay? See. Sita's brother loves sweets more than carrots and beets. Now you tell me with me. You tell with me. Yes, come on. Sita's brother loves sweets more than carrots and beets. Tell, open your mouth and tell. See, Sita's brother loves sweets more than carrots and beets. Next, sweets for breakfast, munch, munch, munch. Come on, tell. Sweets for breakfast, munch, munch, munch. Tell with me. Sweets for breakfast, munch, munch, munch. Sweets for lunch, munch, munch, munch. Sweets for breakfast, munch, munch, munch. Sweets for lunch, munch, munch, munch. Then, sweets for supper too, not one, but 2 by 2. Tell with me. Sweets for supper too, not one, but 2 by 2. Sweets for supper too, not one, but 2 by 2. Means he eats not one sweet, he eats two sweets. Then, Sita's brother is very tall but has no teeth at all. Sita's brother is very tall but has no teeth at all. Sita's brother is so tall, he is very tall but he has no teeth at all. If you don't have teeth, we laugh at you, right? Away. Yes or no? Yes, see. Ha 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 ha. Laughs everyone at Raja. Okay, see here. If you don't have teeth, everyone laughs at you. See here, everyone laughing at Raja. See, what is breakfast? Breakfast means, what is breakfast, children? Breakfast means the food we eat in the morning. Breakfast spelling B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Breakfast. Lunch. Lunch, the food we eat in the afternoon. Lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. Supper. Supper means the food we take at night. S-U-P-P-E-R. Supper. Supper and dinner same. Okay, it is not super. Super means S-U-P-E-R. It is supper. S-U-P-P-E-R. Okay? Yes. Do you brush your teeth, children? Do you brush your teeth daily? Yes, you have to brush your teeth daily. Okay? Yes, if not, what happens? Yes, all bacteria forms in your teeth and cavities are caused. You know what are cavities? Pallu puchipotadi if you eat more sweets or if you won't brush the bacteria anta notloki vachi chee. Yak, it is bad habit. Okay, you have to brush your teeth daily. Okay, you have to brush your teeth daily twice a day. In a sense, 2 times you have to brush your teeth, early morning and also and before going to bed. See here, we have question answers. See here, answer the following questions. How did Sita's brother lose his teeth? How did Sita's brother lose his teeth? Yes, he eats more sweets. He eats sweets for breakfast. He eats sweets for lunch and he eats sweets for supper too. That's why, yes, that's why he lost his teeth. Then, name some food items that are good for our health. Okay, tell me some good food items that are very good for our health. Yes. What you eat early in the you have to eat one egg and a glass of milk daily. You have to take milk, and also you have to eat egg. Yes. It gives us good health. Okay. Yes. Then what are the other food items? Egg, milk, then curry, leafy vegetables. You have to eat leafy vegetables for good eyesight, and carrots, beetroot. So or no? Yes, meat. Meat means yes, chicken and mutton. Mutton you have to eat. Okay. Then what must we do to keep our teeth healthy and clean? What you have to do to keep your teeth healthy and clean? Yes, we have to brush our teeth daily in the morning after we wake up. If not, it smells very bad. Chee, no one sits beside you. If you smell bad, no one sits beside you. Okay, so you have to brush your teeth daily in the morning, and you have to brush your teeth at night also before you go to bed. You have to brush twice a day before waking up, after waking up early in the morning, and then before going to bed. Okay. Next, name some healthy food items you like to eat. Now I like, what you like I don't know, but I like, yes, I like meat, that mutton, and then egg. I like egg. I like milk. I like carrots, beets. Yes, they are good food items. Okay, you have to take only healthy food items. You should not eat fast food items outside the house. Okay, you have to prepare everything in your home and you have to eat it. Okay, you should not eat outside food. Outside food is dirty. Yes or no? Yes. You have to eat healthy and clean food, fresh food. Okay, you should not eat the food which you have cooked before 2 days or 3 days. You have to eat fresh food daily. You have to cook food daily, and then you have to eat that food. You should not eat the food which is cooked before 2-3 days. Okay. Yes. So here we have project work. Yes, you used to do project works, right, when you are in school, but you are not coming to school now. So we'll discuss this. Okay, we'll discuss this now. See, discuss with your parents and friends and list out 5 good habits we need to follow. What we have to follow? We have to follow good habits, right? Yes. So see, here we have 5 questions. So we'll discuss each one by one. Okay. Yes. What things we should do in the morning? Okay, tell me. After you wake up in the morning, what we should do? First of all, we have to wake up early in the morning. Okay, that is a good habit. We have to wake up early in the morning. We should not sleep for so many hours. Okay. Yes, you should not be lazy. Badakam. Lazy means badakam undoddu. Okay, you have to wake early in the morning, and then what you have to do first? You have to brush your teeth. It is a good habit. You have to brush your teeth, and then you have to bath. Then yes, you have to clean up yourself. Okay, you have to wear fresh clothes, washed clothes. Okay, you should not wear clothes for 2-3 days, same clothes. Okay, you have to change your clothes. Okay. Yes. What should we do to help our mother, father? What do you do to help your mom and dad? Yes, we already have an box, right? Things you do to help my mama, help your mother. What you have to do? You have to clean. See here, turn the pages. Here you have things you do to help your mother. You have to help in cleaning the house. You have to help in washing clothes. You have to help in cleaning vessels, planting plants, throwing dust outside, watering plants, bringing grocery items, folding clothes. These are the things you can do to help your mother. Yes or no? Yes. You have to help your father in garden. You have to help your grandparents at home. You have grandparents at your home, right? Who are grandparents? The mother and father of our father or mother. Nanammalu, Tatayalu, Amammalu, Tatayalu. We have, right? We have to help them too. Okay? We should not scold that old people. Okay? You have to respect them. You have to listen them. Okay? Next. What things we should do at school? What things you have to do at school? At school, you have to be so polite. You should wish your teachers daily. Yes or no? Yes. You have to respect your teachers. Here in our school, we have a big playground, right? And you have to keep your classroom very neatly. And we have dustbins in our classes, right? Do we have? Yes, we have dustbins in our classes. So we have to throw the dust in the dustbins. And you should not jump on the desks or benches. When the bell rings, you have interval and lunch bell break. You jump on the benches. I know you are bad students. No, you are good students. Yes, so you should not jump on the benches or desks. Okay, you should not steal others items. Means steal in the sense you should not dongatanam cheyyoddu vero vala vastuvulu. Yes or no? Yes, if you don't have anything, you have to ask and you have to take from them, but you should not steal the items of your friends. Okay, then you have to be friendly with your friends. Yes or no? You should not beat or you should not pinch the others. You have to be very friendly with your friends, and you have to wish your teacher. You should obey your teacher. You have to listen to your teacher. You have to do homework. You have to complete your homework in time. Okay, you have to read. You have to write. You have to be a good child. Okay, very good. Now you see what things we should do before eating meals. Yes, it is a big question. What is meals? Meals means food we eat. Okay, annam anamata. If we go to any hotel to eat food, what we order? One plate of meal ante oka plate lo food means food, curry, everything comes under meals. Okay, papada, yes or no, oka chutney, this all comes under one meal. What things we should do before eating meals? Yes, before eating food, you have to, yes, very good, you have to wash your hands with soap or some hand washes. Okay, now in this COVID time, you have to wash your hands very frequently. Okay, are you getting me? Yes, you have to wash your hands thoroughly with fresh water before eating meals, and also after eating food you have to wash your hand. So no, yes, you play in mud and you come to your kitchen and you touch everything and you eat with that dirty hands. Yes, you should not eat with your dirty hands. You have to clean your hands very neatly with soap or some liquid. Okay, then you have to cut your nails first. If not, the germs and bacteria enters into your nails, and what happens if they enter into your body? You feel you keep your nails in your mouth or in your fingers in your mouth, and you bit your nails, right? That bacteria enters into your stomach and you get affected with fever or cough. Okay, yes, so you have to wash your hands very cleanly, and you should not keep your hands in your mouth. Okay, yes. What things should we do to help our friends or classmates? Yes, here, what things should we do to help our friends and classmates? See, here you have at school, at home. You have friends at school and at home also, right? You have friends, right? Yeah, what you do to help them? At school you have different friends, at home also you have different friends. Some have same friends at school and also at home. So here we have to write what is the help you do to your friends, okay, and at home. Okay, so here at school, what you do if your friend doesn't bring any pencil or pen? What you do? Pencil. If your friend doesn't bring pencil, what you do? You you should give your friend your pencil if you have two. It is also a help, right? Yes. Yes, if your friend doesn't bring any pencil, you borrow your pencil to that friend, right? So write here borrow. Borrow means taking some others items and giving back to them later. Okay, borrow, 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 pencil. Okay, next, sharing food. Yes, in lunch time you share your food with your friend, right? Yes, right here, sharing food. You share your curry food, yes or no? Yes, sharing food. Sharing food. Yes, at home. What you do at home? Yes, you borrow toys, right? While playing, if you don't have any, if you play cricket, you don't have bat or ball, but your other friend has it. What do? You borrow bat and ball, and then after playing, you return it to them, right? So write borrow bat and ball. See, if you are from same class and if one of your friend is absent, what you do after going to home? You explain the things what you have did in the class and what the teacher told you, right? It means you helped your friend in reading, yes or no? So write here helping in reading. Yes, so see, I have two examples. I have given two examples, right? In the same way, remaining three, you have to think, ask your parents, take your parents' help. As it is project work, you have to do everything. But I gave you two examples. So, remaining three, you have to write, think and take your parents or friends' help and complete this. Okay? Yes, I'll continue the class later.